Today's show I'm going to give you two special remedies on the base of baking soda that can help you remove your aged skin spots. If you listen carefully to today's video, I'm going to give you something that you never heard about it, and if you take it into considerations, maybe you can help you with removing those problems. I'm here to share amazing home remedy for those annoying dark spots on your skin. If you are looking for natural solution, look no further than baking soda. This versatile ingredient not only finds its place in our kitchen, but it also in our skin care routines. Did you know that baking soda has natural whitening properties? Baking soda has probably any kitchen or household in the world. Baking soda is cheap, it's right there for you. It can help you whiten your aged skin spots, but you must think about it like this. You must take into consideration to practicing each day something called intermittent fasting. About intermittent fasting, I was written in my first book. The intermittent fasting is best natural diet in the world that you can imagine. It can help you relieve your aged skin spots. Also, you must take into consideration lack of vitamin C. Also, resistance to insulin or diabetes can cause your problems. Of course, liver problems on liver toxins especially can make your skin spots visible. But baking soda, you can make it in two special ways. I'm gonna give you recipe number one. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of hydrogen peroxide to create sparkling paste. Clean your face thoroughly and apply the paste to the affected areas. Gently massage the mixture using circular motion for a few minutes. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with the lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Apply a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Usually after you take those paste, I'm going to recommend you to take a little bit of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is so perfect for aged skin spots, so you take this little paste, take on your aged skin spots. After 15 minutes you wash it, dry it, and take a little bit of aloe vera. It can help you a lot. This is recipe number one. Recipe number two, I'm gonna recommend you, it's gonna be face mask. If you prefer a ready-to-use product or want to explore more ways to incorporate baking soda in your skin care routine, why not try making homemade cream or face mask? Here's a simple recipe that you can start it. Mix 2 spoons of baking soda with some apple cider vinegar and form paste. Apply the paste to the dark spots and leave it about 15 minutes. Allow it to dry before rinsing off with the warm water. There you have it, a homemade baking soda dark spots cream or face mask that can help you tackle those stubborn spots effectively. Now that you can know the secret power of baking soda for the dark spots, give it a try and see visible difference in your skin. Remember, consistent and patient and skin care results takes time, and many of you will not have time. You will not have any kind of patience. You will not live healthy, and this can help you in any other way. But for someone that practices intermittent fasting, live healthy way. And take this into consideration, that can help you. It may help you 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. That is, of course, depends on you, on your specific problems. Of course, many of you will not see any kind of visible changes in 1 day or 3 days or maybe, I don't know, 1 month. So this is easy. Usually, many people, of course, can practice this. I'm going to recommend you take this face mask on this cream for maybe 10 to 15 days in a row. Then take this same days rest period. Do not use it each day for, I don't know, like months or months. That cannot be beneficial, but one of the most important things is after you using this face mask or this cream, take this aloe vera, and it can help you a lot. If you have any kind of skin irritation after taking this kind of procedure, of course you will not take it. Of course, this is for the very few people, but for everyone that wants to learn about baking soda, about these natural remedies, this can help you a lot. Before we continue with the show, my dear viewers, I want to recommend you my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1. It's officially on sale in Croatian and English. You can buy the book now through mariolab.hr website. In the book you will learn more about the rich history of the use of plant in healing. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicine, with advice on dosage, possible side effects and drug interaction. Miracle, a Natural Remedies Part 1 is an ideal guide to using natural medicine in the fight against the worst diseases of modern world in very natural way. If you want to learn a lot more what is the most important mineral that can help you remove your aged skin spots, watch carefully this next video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.